Hello and welcome back to my channel. A while back I was in my workshop here at home and I needed to plane and flatten a little piece of wood. But here in the small workshop I don't have a jointer and I don't have a planer. And so I thought, should I put it aside and wait until I go to the large workshop, or is there another solution? So it got me thinking, can I actually flatten this little piece of wood with my shaper origin? And so I thought through a couple of things, tried out a bunch of things, and turns out that yes, you can flatten a small piece of wood with your shaper origin and your workstation. Don't believe me? I'll show you right now how to do it. All right, that was it. It worked out. I can show you. This is a piece of wood and it's flat on this surface. It's flat on this. You see, it doesn't wobble. It's fine. There is a small difference. I did measure it and it's about a difference of 1 millimeter between the left and the right hand side. And that is because when I tried to level it out, the workstation, I didn't level it perfectly. So if you really want to do that, and it's important that it's precise, you will have to spend a significant amount of time figuring out how to level it out well. But I do think this method has some limits when it comes to precision. So if you really need like a perfectly flat and of same thickness piece, the traditional jointer and planer option is obviously faster and more precise. So this is actually an option that is maybe helpful for people who don't have jointers and planers around and where the precision, like a small deviation, is okay. So I'm likely not going to use that a lot, but hey, I was able to do it and it got me out of the situation that I had where I wasn't able to plane it. So it's nice to have an additional option with your shaper origin. That being said, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you around.